I'll guide you through how to save money with AliExpress bundle deals, explaining what they are, how to get them, and how to use them. If you're looking to get a discount on your order, or you simply want to take advantage of deals on products from the same store, and you need to understand AliExpress bundle deals, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, what are AliExpress bundle deals? A bundle deal is a special offer where you can buy a combination of items from the same seller for a discounted price, such as buy two, get one free, or buy a product with an accessory at a reduced price. To get started, visit a product page on the AliExpress website or app. Locate the section labeled Bundle Deals or Buy Together and tap on it. This brings up the Bundle Deals page where you can browse and select from the Hot Picks for You section, Recommended, Under $4, Big Discounts, etc. Once you find a product you like, tap the plus icon beside it and choose the product options. Then, at the bottom of the screen, tap You to add it to the cart and return to find more items that complete the bundle. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see how many more items you need to add to complete the bundle. The discount is automatically applied at checkout once all the conditions of the bundle deal are met. You don't need a special code. The system handles the savings for you. Simply go ahead and complete the payment to get the bundle deal. By this, you have successfully used an AliExpress bundle deal. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.